Okay, now I want to bring you up to speed on this product. And to do that, I'm going to take the plastic off of it. So this is an unboxing and a first impression. All right. Come on. Yeah. So my son recommended this to me because he bought one and he thought it was a good job, did a great job. So this is for those in-between dentist visits if you want to take care of some business on your own. Now what this is an Oxomac, if I'm pronouncing it, Oxomac oral cleaner. It's a rechargeable plaque remover set. Kind of looks like the tool that they use in the dentist office to clean your teeth. I'm going to let you see what this comes with. It comes with a wrench, USB cable, tool itself, a mirror, and a couple of end picks. Talks about what kind of current it uses, the size of the product in millimeters. All right, well, let's open the box. Here's the side. Type-C charging, intensity adjustment, waterproof. Oh, let's open up the box and see how she looks. Very tight on the box opening. It's a kind of like Apple product type, if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, here we are. Yeah. All right, so when we open the box here, what it says, we see a ultrasonic dental care. It just says thank you for purchasing our product. Talks about what's in here. Working tip, charging cable, protective cover, mainframe, mouth mirror, spanner tool. I'm not sure what you use that for, but talks about using it. If you want to take a look at that, you can pause it. How to operate. I'll let you pause that and take a look at that, zoom in on it. Okay. Now what's in here, this looks like it would be the tool right here. Let's open this up. Comes with a cover. That's how it looks in there. Now the thing says tip. All right. Only touch teeth or hard objects will work and vibrating. I think they mean while. Okay. Only touch teeth or hard objects, it says will, while work and vibrating. Definitely going to need to charge this up, or is this the power down here? Oh, lit up. That's the on-off. Okay, that's the on-off. Now, I'm not sure what this is down here. Oh, that's the USB charging cable. Okay, that's covered. I don't know how to turn this on. Not sure. Maybe touch it once. I'm not sure how to turn this on or off. Tip. Okay. There's got to be some magic to getting this to turn on. I'm not sure what it is. It says high. Oh, it's working when you touch your tooth to it. Ow. Wow, that's sharp. So I'm not going to mess with this right now. That is really sharp. Woo. But I just wanted to give you an overview of this. This is the product. And now what comes in here as a case. Comes with earplugs. Comes with different tips if you want to put different tips in there, and there's your spanner wrench to put those in. You must screw on, and your USB cable to charge it. Pretty cool. Now in here, let's see what we have in here. Looks like we have some dental picks. Okay. Some more dental instruments and tools for your teeth. Not exactly sure what we do with this. Maybe hold your mouth open? Not sure. Another dental pick. Another dental pick comes with that. And then your mouth mirror. We can get rid of this. That seems well worth the price of admission right there, the mouth mirror. So you can see what's going on. Okay? We'll put all this back in this side here. Nicely organized. Okay? And we'll learn about these as we go along. But that's the case. The tools. The tips. Earplugs. I don't know why you need earplugs, but we'll find out. Okay? And we'll put this back in here for now. And we'll give it a try, and after I try it, I'll give you my honest opinion on it. But my son said he really likes it. He bought one and used it, and he recommended I maybe get it and try it out for myself. Thanks for watching.